fancy.
It snowed again last night. We're just gonna get some clips of us out here doing the thing before it gets too cold.
The lights are bright on a Christmas tree when I've got you next to me. Snowflakes are falling, the fire is calling both of our names. The lights are bright on a Christmas tree when I've got you next to me.
Hey Meta, can you shovel for me?
To be here next to you. What a beautiful time, silver bells ringing true. What a beautiful time, Santa is coming. It's the most wonderful time of the year. The lights are bright on a Christmas tree when I've got you next to me. The chestnuts are roasting, the marshmallows toasted golden brown. The lights are bright on a Christmas tree when I've got you next to me. What a beautiful time to be here next to you. What a beautiful time, silver bells ringing true. What a beautiful time. Don't need nothing fancy, you know I don't ask for much. The lights are bright.
All right, we're gonna go for it right now. We just got. You want to be in this? All right, we got Rocky and Leo here. I feel like I should talk about something gear-wise today. What we're on right now is the Monitor Plus app. You can download this app, I believe, for free in the App Store. I want to keep this no more than $12.50. So we're gonna open that up, okay? I think we're gonna roll with it right here. Let's just go 800. Let's just roll with it, right? See, it says we're under exposed. If I open up this light here just a little bit, I brought that light over just a little bit more too. All right, we're rolling with it. We're gonna roll with it, right? Okay. Okay, we're rolling with it. Oh, dark out here. I don't know what to trust anymore, people. All right, we're rolling with it now. We are here at the fireplace. We've actually got the fireplace on. It's not real and big. It's a nice little electric fireplace. We've got the tree in the background. We've got a bunch of lights around, practicals. I want to get better at setting a talking head, maybe even an interview type of thing. So we're drinking our Diet Coke right now, because when you turn 30, this becomes your Gatorade. We're shooting on the A7S III right now. We've got the DJI Mic Mini hooked up, and then we've got the Zhiyun M20 light on top. So we're letting it be more of a key light today. I've got a practical back across from me. I've got another practical light right here, and then I've got all the little lighting. So this is it. This is the setup. This is it. Oh, and I've got my little sunlight lamp back there kind of shooting that green light back here too. So I don't know. Let me know. What do you guys think? I'm gonna go up to 1,000 on that. I'm gonna go up to 1250 on this. The only thing is this right here it's so bright. So like, I love all the ambiance in the back, but I don't love how bright it looks on my face. I don't know if it does. So what I'm gonna do, I'll be right back. All right, we're gonna do this live right now. I've got this little wax paper, and I think we need a diffuser. And what's nice about this light is it comes with like a grid, and it comes with these panels. but it doesn't really come with a legit diffuser. So we're gonna take this little piece of wax paper right here. I'm just gonna fold it a little bit. And then take it like that. And I'm gonna put it on, this actually has a magnet. Okay, so this is without. So that looks better, right? I'm just using this. This is without the wax paper, and this is with it. So we definitely needed a diffuser there. Let's see if this stays. How's that? That looks way better. It's not so harsh. Let's see. Now on Monitor Plus, I can even bring that up, and that looks good. Honestly, I want to keep it around here. So we're gonna try to bump up the light a little bit. Right now the brightness on my ZY app, can you see that? The brightness is about 19.4. I'm gonna bring it up. Bring it all the way up. That's about 80% right there. And I'm gonna check on Monitor Plus, and that's a little bit better. I think I'm still go to 1250 though. Okay, so we've got the diffuser now. That actually worked. So, wax paper. And this is probably not as interesting as it could be, but I think this is the whole point, is like learning as you go. I was wondering why everything started to look better in the background, but then like this light was so harsh still, and I was trusting that the product had it. So let's look up this product real quick. I'm gonna chat GPT it. Hey Schmidt.
Hey there. Sounds like you're ready to dive in. Whatever you need, just let me know and we'll keep it conversational and to the point.
Sounds good. Can you tell me about the Zhiyun M20 light?
Absolutely. The Zhiyun M20 is basically a pocket-sized LED light that packs a solid 20-watt punch. It's got adjustable color temperatures from warm to cool, around 2700 to 6500K, and it's got really good color accuracy. Plus, it's got some fun built-in effects and a magnetic mounting system for easy placement. It's pretty handy if you want a small, versatile light for your shoots.
Awesome. What's the best way to use this light in maybe like a darker living room setting with a Sony A7S III?
Sure thing. So in a darker living room setting with your A7S III, you'll want to use the Zhiyun M20 basically as your little adaptable key light. Position it off to the side so it's not shining straight on, but giving you a nice soft angle of odd level to mimic natural light. Since the M20 has adjustable color tap, you can dial it in to match the room's vibe. Something warmer if you want it cozy, or cooler if you're going for a more neutral look. And because it's got good accuracy, your Sony will pick it up nicely. In short, treat it as a flexible fill or key light to add just enough glow to your shot without blowing things out. Just keep it conversational and have fun experimenting.
Okay, I will. Thanks.
You're very welcome. Have fun playing around with it, and if you need any more tips, just give me a shout.
Okay, bye. Yo, I love that. Okay, let's get this thing back on here. Okay, you heard it. So the best way to do this is to have it off to the side as like a key light, not shining straight on me. There was mistake number one. I had it shining straight on me, and it's still kind of doing this. And now it's dead. I charged it. You gonna do me like that? Well, the battery's gonna die on this thing. So mistake number one, I had it shining, it is shining directly at me. It's not off to the side or anything like that, acting as a key light really. So I did have it as a key light, but it's not off to the side because it's on top of the camera. I do have the equipment I need to keep playing around and experimenting with this, but I hope you guys enjoyed this this one. This is just kind of the real mistakes of filmmaking and Vlogmas. But I'm gonna learn. I think it's a great time to do a lot of this trial and error with low stakes, like going into the new year, feeling good about myself, in a lot of different ways, but one of the main things I want to do is just like not waste another year. There we go. It went dark. What we're gonna do, all right. Jeez, that's super bright. We'll just do this and tell a ghost story, I guess. Maybe I can put this little diffuser here too. All right, we're gonna do this. Hopefully I don't burn anything down. I just want to finish recording. This is Vlogmas. This is Vlogmas. This is trial and error. This is learning. I'm sure it could go many other ways, but I've just got done with a long day of work and I am tired, but I want to do this. I want to do this. I want to get it out. And I really like how it all looks. I'm not going to be a perfectionist. I just want to get better. That's it. So I love you guys. Hope you enjoyed this one. Just keep creating, man. Like, who knows what'll happen. Love you guys. Stay human.